We thought we knew our bikes. We thought we knew how these bikes ride. We didn't know shit. The 2021 BMW S1000R. This bike, featuring parts of the M package, is provided by Performance Motors Limited Singapore. However, they do not have any influence over our content, allowing us to bring you true and unbiased opinions. The 2021 BMW S1000R features weight savings through frame and engine architecture to achieve an overall weight to a mere 199 kilograms when fully filled. Powered by the same liquid-cooled 999cc inline 4-cylinder as its S1000RR, the 2021 S1000R is tuned to produce 165 horsepower at 11,000 RPM and 114 Nm of torque at 9,250 RPM. Updates to its 6-speed gearbox in the 2021 BMW S1000R feature longer ratios in the 4th, 5th, and 6th gears for better fuel economy, while a self-reinforcing anti-hopping clutch is equipped as standard. Working with an electronic engine drag torque control or MSR to prevent rear wheel slip during abrupt throttling or downshifting with or without its quick shifter. The 2021 BMW S1000R comes with a full-color 6.5-inch TFT screen as standard. Two-core screen displays other information such as banking angle, deceleration and traction control. The optional N package unlocks a third core screen featuring lap timing. A 20.5-litre fuel tank and a claimed consumption of 23.8 km per litre gives the 2021 BMW S1000R a theoretical range of 392.7 km before hitting its 4-litre reserve at an average speed of 90 km per hour. As with every other engine, the more you twist, the more you burn. But the more fun you have. On the track, of course, your results may vary. The 2021 BMW S1000R sits on lighter for this year's 17-inch alloy rims wrapped in a pair of Dunlop Sport Smart tyres. The braking department features dual 320mm rotors and dual 4-piston fixed calipers in the front, while a single 220mm rotor and single piston floating caliper takes care of braking in the rear. The brakes are supported by a dual-channel ABS and ABS Pro. Keeping all that tame are fully electronically adjustable upside-down fork in the front and fully electronically adjustable monoshock in the rear, giving 120mm and 170mm of travel respectively. The low-maintenance M Endurance chain comes as part of the M package upgrade. Power is supported by a ride-by-wire throttle and a 6-axis sensor, allowing for riding modes and a whole host of other options. A full state-of-the-art LED lighting package comes standard on the 2021 BMW S1000R. Headlight Pro with adaptive cornering lights, day running lights, integrated brake and signal lights in the rear. Under emergency braking, the dynamic brake light features is activated, flickering the brake lights and activating hazard warning lights to alert traffic behind. Regular servicing is recommended every 10,000 kilometers with 4 liters of engine oil with an oil filter replacement. Major servicing with a valve clearance inspection is every 30,000 kilometers. Amos is 1.84 meters tall with a stock seat height of 830 millimeters. Let us show you how he looks on the bike. He has a very aggressive posture. The seat can be raised or lowered to 850mm or 810mm respectively. With Mark Komine as a pillion, he felt that it was quite spacious and the pillion seat very small but functional. With a combined weight of 170 kilos, the dynamic electronic suspension held up very okay. With a height of 1.7 meters, Farron, who just bought his very own 333 head buff, wants to show you how he looks on the bike. Thank you, Farron. Be like Farron and get yours today at our merchant stores. The turning radius is quite large for its class. In our opinion, the 2021 BMW S1000R is, for the lack of better words, disgustingly impressive. Can I keep it, please? I'll trade my twin and scooter for it. The ride on the 2021 BMW S1000R was balanced, tight, responsive, precise, everything you expect in a premium machine. It gave us one hell of a time. The pulls were elastic and even its low rev was smooth and non-chattery. We were wondering why BMW didn't introduce adaptive cruise control this year, and we think we know why. If we are right about them using their resources engineering the 2021 S1000 series, then it's time and money very well spent. The results have shown. Amos mentioned that the earlier models were, but this one changed his mind. We all agree that the 2021 S1000R seemed to feel like it's been custom-made to each of us, even when it's not. Cornering on the S1000R was so tight, it felt like it was an extension to our bodies. We all felt extremely confident in the straights and turns from the very first time we got on her. We have never experienced anything quite like it. The fun factor on the 2021 S1000R is off the charts. Although not as cheeky as other machines we have ridden, it is, however, refined, posh, and technologically advanced. Its quick shifter, as with the 2021 S1000XR, was instant, precise, and had a sort of cushion during up or down shifts. The exhaust! Wow, the exhaust! Let's have a listen. The Akrapovic exhaust is part of the optional M package upgrade. If we are being nitpicky, we would have preferred if more time was spent on the styling, but honestly, we didn't care. The ride made up for it many times over. We noticed some heat from the bike at stop-go city riding, especially when the radiator fans turned on. That blew hot air on our left knee. But the heat quickly dissipated once on the move. It is the 2021 BMW S1000R. Who cares? Overall, the 2021 BMW S1000R is a machine to be reckoned with. We don't feel that it's a ride for the newer rider, although the technology within the machine keeps you in check. We feel that the 2021 BMW S1000R doesn't fit the everyday ride category, but more for track days or the weekend fun ride. For a machine price of 58,800 Singapore dollars for the base model and 64,800 Singapore dollars for the upgraded N package without taxes or insurance is a small fortune. But the 2021 BMW S1000R has made its way to the very top of our one list. With that, we hope you like, share and subscribe. I'm Winston and see you on the road.